G'day. Just an update for our kayak fish shows in Australia. Aldi's released this fish insulated catch bag. Measures up to 70 centimetres. It's 45 centimetres tall and opens up to about 15 centimetres. Has a waterproof zipper, insulated and padded, and it's got the fish measure on the side. Sorry about the car traffic. So I took it out the other day. The fish measurer is pretty accurate, but because PVC swells in the heat, I wouldn't rely on it as your only source of measuring. I carry 2 brag mats and a ruler, but that's plenty big enough for any kayak fishing catches in the estuaries. Has a waterproof zip, very heavy duty PVC. Heavy duty carry handles. I was so impressed with it, I bought 2. They were $39.99 or $40, and I will pack one away up into the cupboard in a protective bag, use it for a later date. Most other brands you buy are $150 to $180 for this size, especially if you go to BCF or Anaconda. So pretty impressed with it. I usually carry one of 2 eskies. And both of them act like sails when they're on the back of the PA. And if you know the PA, it's heavy enough as it is without battling with a sail in the back, which the eskies do tend to do. So very good quality, great construction. And I'll roll some footage.